If we look inside the world, there are a number of mega projects going on. But today, we'll talk about some expensive transport mega projects. The La Linea Tunnel is an 8.65 kilometer long road tunnel to improve traffic flow between the cities of Buenaventura and Bogota in Colombia. The tunnel was opened on 4 September 2020 after 14 years of construction work at a total cost of $870 million. The tunnel is co-financed by CAF and the government of Colombia. The new tunnel is expected to reduce 75% of accidents. The entrance to the main La Linea tunnel is situated at 2.42 km above sea level and 19 km away from Armenia, while the exit is 37.8 km from the city of Ibague. Tunnel is built between the departments of Quindío and Tolima in central government. The design involves decreasing the ascent of the road from 3.3 km to 2.46 km. The geometry of the road infrastructure will also deliver 10 km in the travel saving, and speed will improve to 60 km per hour from 18.2 km per hour. Travel times will be cut by 80 minutes for heavy vehicles and 40 minutes for light ones. The Confederation Line is a 12.5 kilometer light rail transit system being built to serve 13 stations in Canada's capital city, a tunnel through downtown core, 13 stations including 3 underground stations. The line opened on September 14, 2019 at a cost of just $2.1 billion. It was the largest infrastructure project in the city. The city of Ottawa is delivering the Ottawa Light Rail Transit Confederation Line, which also includes building and financing the widening of Highway 417. The benefits of this line are less traffic congestion, greenhouse gases and fuel consumption, a more pedestrian and cycling friendly downtown core, job creation during the design of construction phases of the project. The city of Ottawa will continue to set transit fare rates and customer service standards. Otoyol 5 is a tall motorway in Turkey. The length of the motorway is 407 km, 30 viaducts of 18,212 meters, 3 tunnels of 6,200 meters, 209 small bridges, 18 toll plazas. This is the most expensive toll motorway in Turkey, as the cost of the motorway is $400 million. The project started in 2013 and the phase 1 was completed in 2016, followed by phase 2 in 2019. This tunnel provides direct connection between Istanbul and its surrounding metropolis to the country's third largest Izmir and fourth largest Bursa cities, bypassing the Gulf of Izmit via the Osman Ghazi Bridge. The speed of the tunnel is 40 km per hour to 120 km per hour. The most notable feature of the project is the 3.3 km Izmit Bay suspension bridge. It has 7 parking and 7 services area. The existing route between Gebze and Izmir is 540 km long and currently takes 8 to 10 hours to travel between two places. The new motorway will reduce the average journey time between the two places to 2 to 4 hours while relieving the traffic load on the existing route by more than 30%. Karachi-Lahore motorway is a 1694 kilometer long 6-lane high-speed limited access motorway that will connect Karachi and Peshawar through Islamabad, Lahore, Multan and Sukkar. It is considered a major component of the China-Pakistan economic corridor and will cost approximately $6.6 billion, with the bulk of financing to be distributed by various Chinese state-owned banks. This highway is owned and maintained and operated federally by Pakistan's National Highway Authority. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.